In today's video, we'll be learning why do companies have business objectives. Companies keep themselves busy in order to attain objectives. Objectives basically small या short term planning को कहते हैं. Number one objective of any firm could be market share. Now what is market share? Market share simply means कि आपने अपनी sales को maximize करना है. If I think of an example, back in 2020, Xiaomi ने अपनी mobile phone की sale surpass कर दी थी Apple की sale से in terms of its different models. Why? Because उसने अपनी business planning में ये aim किया था कि I need to surpass the sales of all the phone or telecommunication industries in the world. Second is profit maximization. Profit maximization का सबसे बड़ा फायदा ये है कि इससे shareholders और owners को maximum amount of dividend या पैसे जाते हैं. इसका एक और फायदा ये है कि जो employees और manager की wages हैं, उनकी जो pay scale है that increases. एक और फायदा, if I keep on adding, is that जो भी extra profit they earn, they can use that for the research and development. Other than that, सबसे बड़ा focus profit maximization का is that these kind of firms which run on this model, they cannot be taken over very easily. सबसे ज़्यादा जो इस product पे चलने वाली firm है, that is Alibaba. Alibaba का sole purpose is to earn profit. Number 3 is survival. Survival simply means that you need to cope up with the ongoing competitive strategies put forward to you by different competitors. आप एक step आगे लेने की कोशिश नहीं करते हो, you just stay at which place you are and you need to survive the ongoing competition. For example, Nokia. For the past 5 to 6 years, Nokia ने अपने models में कोई भी इतनी ज़्यादा planning या innovation नहीं लेकर आए. उसका basic purpose सिर्फ ये है कि जो भी models उसने already बनाए हैं, it needs to sell that. So survival works on the strategy जिस पे you need to attain the place in which you already are and you don't take a step ahead in order to fight back with the ongoing competition. Number 4 is the social objective. Social objective could be anything. For example, एक social entrepreneur का social objective is to provide shelter to the stray cats. उसमें उसका primarily objective profit नहीं है या market share नहीं है या survival नहीं है. सिर्फ ये है कि that person needs to know कि a homeless cat should have a shelter. Number 5 is the growth. Growth is the product diversification. Diversification के नाम से you don't need to get afraid. It just simply means कि आप एक product line से skip होके you enter into another market. Again, example gourmet. It started off with just foods. लेकिन the owner of the gourmet thought कि why not step into the furniture industry? Why not step into the restaurant industry and catering and marquees? अब आप gourmet का नाम हर जगह सुनते हैं, whether it is in terms of restaurants, in terms of marquees, in terms of food, etc. All these type of objectives are important to know in drafting a business plan. अगर आप इसमें से कोई भी चीज़ skip कर जाते हैं, any objective which is missed, then your business is highly affected. Let me put forward an example. Under which company objective does Apple work? Do let me know in the comment down.